we're gonna start with Mark's input there. So if I'm starting on Mark's Microsoft Copilot project, how best can I set up for success?
Well, it could either be myself or David could answer that one, but or Jan, you're talking as well. The very first thing is, be open and transparent. What are your goals? What is it that you're actually trying to achieve? As an organization, because this is a technology that is going to be very disruptive, potentially in a very good way, but it could also be a very divisive one, particularly in an organization that's a mature organization with lots of different demographics. You can end up creating a divide in the organization. So the first thing is coming back to principles. What is the reason for doing it? And hopefully that reason is we want everybody to have Friday afternoons off. So anybody joining the engagement is that. Another one might be, and this can be a transparent thing, let's say if I think of HSBC, you probably have quite a lot of different demographics, people also in their early 60s who maybe are looking at retirement at 65, maybe say you're 62, you can retire in 12 months if you're contributing all of your knowledge into our essentially SharePoint or database that Copilot can look at, and then you are going to be afforded early retirement as though you had reached 65. So incentivizing people. There certainly will be plenty of instances where there's companies are looking to do it for the purely ruthless capitalist reasons, and they're going to have difficulties because people are not stupid. They know the rationale. So without saying too much more, it's very much about the first principles. What is it that you're really trying to achieve? The second thing that I'd say is also look at what's happening in your organization at the moment. Like if I look at one example, Copilot for Outlook, that's a way for you to look far quicker at a whole batch of emails and maybe miss something that is of relevance. If you're, as Jan was saying, if you're receiving 150 emails a day, 200 emails a day, that's indicative of a culture either of low trust or that is lacking in systems, and people are firing emails left, right and centre because they don't have a process to follow. So that's something to be addressed first, because while a younger demographic may be able to sort of get a handle on 200 emails a day and work through it, it's going to make it even more difficult for those who are not on Copilot. And from an event last week in Microsoft, their initial suggestion was sign up 10% of the organization for Copilot. So there's going to be the haves and the have-nots.